Hello to the both of you, gorgeous ladies. You are going to hear this throughout the interview.
Love it. We can hear it
you
over
go.
and over again.
So I have two questions, common in both. Because everybody is like asking two questions, I would go with two as well.
Okay.
I'll start with a fun one.
Okay.
Could you all like share a rumor that you all might have heard, which is like weird or funny about yourselves?
That I was a part of Avatar Part 2 and they painted me blue in color. I saw photos of myself on the internet, which was very funny. And I was
You
like,
should
this is
accept
the
it.
Yeah, I'll be like, yeah, I am. But unfortunately, it wasn't true. Damn. I don't mind being
That's a
blue.
funny one though. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why. They actually made a photo of me which was blue, which is what is funny.
I can't think of anything.
A rumor you'd want to spread.
I would want to spread that I'm an avatar too.
Yeah, we both
And have a
both-
picture of
हम लोग
me in
अपना
blue.
करा देते हैं या ऐसे या
They're partnering in Avatar 2 also.
Avatar 2 तो हो गई, अभी 3 करना पड़ेगा.
Can I go with the second question?
Yes.
Okay. As we are sitting in a panel of girls, empowered girls like you all, so like what do you think? Is it very difficult to be a part of male-oriented society? And how would you achieve in your careers being in a patriarchal society as we are? So it is like,
You know, I'll tell you honest, ये सब ना सबने हुआ बना दिया है कि patriarchal society ये वो. Sometimes I don't understand what is this, and because we've been doing interviews a lot now because we've done this show. We've very consciously made this show in the light that we don't want it to be. It's not women against men. In fact,
But that's also not what feminism
not
is.
what
actually.
feminism
not at
Yeah.
all.
at
Exactly.
all.
In fact, on Superwoman, we accept our male allies. We're like, green flags, the color that you wear.
I mean, everybody should support everybody
Yeah.
irrespective of the gender.
Yeah.
You know, so that's.
See, there could be points of time in your career where you might experience that, and it might be not in your face, it might be subtle. But the only way women can truly battle that, and I'm saying this as somebody who has navigated that through my career, you have to bring something considerable to the table. Do not expect yourself to be given a free lunch, just like the men aren't. So nobody is given a free lunch. So you work up your way towards actually being that person who is contributing, and you're giving such valid input that they cannot negate you. And that's the truest way of actually navigating through patriarchy, if there's anything else, because I feel like expecting that people will be nice to you is a very immature thing to actually believe in, whether you're a man or a woman. So it's not that people are going to be nice to you because you're a woman or because you're a man. It doesn't work like that. I think in any professional environment, at the end, are you doing your job? If you're good at your job, whether you're a man or a woman, you will be respected. But if you're expecting that because you're a woman, you should be treated a little more sensitively or you should be treated differently, then you are only not setting the tone for equality. Equality, what is equality? Equality, you know. So if you really want equality, project it. I'm saying don't wait for it to come to you.
No, I think even the trailer where you say, oh, you think I've got this because of my smile.
Yes.
I think these are some things that women are told, right? I mean, the gossip mills will be working
You are
overtime.
told,
if
you know, you
get
want to be
success.
you should only be seen, you should not be heard. You're told that. But that doesn't mean
That you're not going to
Yes,
speak.
that you're not going to speak.
Yeah.
You're going to speak anyway.
And when you speak in such a way that they have to listen because you're, bringing something to them and that they need from you. And I feel like if you make yourself indispensable, which is in another way what Tammy said is if you're really good at what you do and you give somebody reason to believe that, then they cannot ignore you, right? So those are some great questions.
Yeah,
Thank
it really
you.
got us to
Think.
think.
Listen, I need that bowl. So we're going to do a really fun segment.
Yes.
Woohoo! I have long arms for a good reason.
पुलिस के हाथ की डायना के हाथ किसके हाथ लंबे?
किसके हाथ लंबे हैं? अच्छा, आपके शो का नाम Do You Want a Partner? तो हम बहुत quirky situations आपको देने वाले हैं. We want to see who you want to partner with.
Okay.
Pick.
Yeah.
You're stuck on a shoot in a random city with no Wi-Fi and nothing to do. Oh my God, I would die. Who would you partner with to survive the boredom? I would find I would find a couple of dogs and maybe 3 cats. And
No
my life would
humans
be
will-
made. No. I much prefer animals to humans.
Okay.
Okay, you're there to do something ridiculous for content. Which actress do you partner with to go all in? Dinah. Now that we've done a show together,
Might as well just, yeah,
I'm gonna hold this as a favor that you might have to give me
done.
at any point of time in life. When
I'll
I
always
find
be
some
there.
silly reel to do.
Am I
You
or
will
not?
be my first-
Am I or am I not always there for you?
You are actually, so yes, Dinah it is.
Thick and thin.
But if I don't say my other friends, they'll all be there. So there's Mrinal, there's Rasha, there's Vamika, Kaju, सबका नाम नहीं लिया मुझे फोन आपको पता है मेरा ग्रुप है
See, as long as she's
WhatsApp.
sitting with me, she has to
मुझे
you
say
लेने
guys
पड़ते हैं
have a
नाम
WhatsApp group?
या
What's the name?
गर्लीज बहुत ही लेम नाम है but I'm gonna work I'm like I have taken it up as responsibility I think we need to upgrade the name
Girl.
Are we playing only one round?
No, no. please.
You're craving a midnight Pani Puri run. Which actress would be your go-to partner in crime? I would love to say Tammy, but she lives too far.
Yeah.
By the time the Pani Puri reaches
Reaches
her
it
from
is-
my house,
it's true
it'll be soggy, and the Pani will have already, I don't know, like.
Agreed.
But yeah, you only.
yeah
Yeah.
actually we would be great eating
Pani
we would,
puri
we would
together.
Do you
spend,
guys
yeah.
actually eat? ऐसे लग नहीं रहा है.
नहीं नहीं actually I'll tell you what so she has the metabolism and the appetite while we were shooting the show मेरे को ये गलत फहमी हुई कि ये मेरा भी ऐसा है but ऐसा नहीं था so she was eating like having a great time which she normally always does and I thought even I can do the same thing and then by the end of the show none of my pants were fitting me
You
so
guys
guys
also
I
go
was just
through.
stress eating you know we were stress eating because we were trying to shoot a show in 50 days but yeah so I do eat maybe more than I should be eating.
Okay. Okay.
And you, that's a sight for like, not for sort
Not
because eating Pani Puri and me, it's like everywhere. Most ungraceful when I'm eating. There's a dripping and then the puri is not fitting. And yeah.
Okay, I don't know whose this is. It's yours, right?
No, yours.
Oh, it's mine? Okay.
I like to pick in advance and read the question.
You have a fashion disaster 5 minutes before a red carpet. Which actress do you trust to lend her outfit or her stylist? I would call Bhumi. Yeah, although I mean, like Bhumi and I might not be like the thickest of buddies, but I know that if I call up a fashion,
Has something
yeah.
like this happened?
It's never happened, but this definitely gave me the idea that if I ever am in that situation, I like her fashion.
Yeah.
I really like her fashion, so I would call her for fashion rescue.
You've just bagged the biggest role of your life. Which actress would you partner with to celebrate like crazy? Does it have to be an actress? I mean, I would just love to get
Okay.
all my
Yeah,
girlfriends
girlies. Yeah,
together
yeah,
and they could be anything. Actress, not actress.
Yeah.
So
All my
with your
girlfriends, like the
girlfriends.
special people. If it's the biggest role and all that in your life, special people matter, no?
Guys, this has been a very special conversation. Thank you for taking out the time.
Thank you.
जो एक चीज तब से repeat हो रही है, looking gorgeous, looking gorgeous.
आप
ये
बहुत
जान के भी
खूबसूरत लग रही हैं।
Thank you, किसी
ये
ने तो मुझे बोला।
मैं बहुत tempted थी आपकी स्किन इतनी ग्लो कर रही है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि
My God.
It really is.
Guys,
I thought I had great skin, but sorry, I have some serious competition in this
what are
one.
you saying?
Yeah, I
You
love-
made my day.
Please tell me what are you using?
Yeah,
You did.
no, really you do. You really do.
Thanks, guys.
Gorgeous.
I just go do my mirchi and
No. अपनों की नहीं लगती नजर.
how sweet. No, but it has been amazing. Thank you. All the answers were straight from the heart.
Yes.
We've loved you on screen. And I think in person, you spoke about energy. I think this is an energy that I absolutely dig. You guys have been a brilliant team participating
Awesome.
in this conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.